Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like this video and share it with your friends. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how restaurants do make their chicken capon or chicken broiler. Kama hujui capon ni nini. So first things up, I'm going to use my pressure cooker, which doesn't work. I'm adding some rosemary, some dania stems, some dania roots, some garlic and ginger. Then over here I have leeks and celery stems. No, celery leaves. And then my chicken was frozen, so I kept it. I used it as it was. I had no time to wait for it to go. And then some water. I'm adding this much water because I want to be left the soup or the stock to use for a few days when I'm making my meals. And then I added some salt. And then I covered the pressure cooker. Don't be lied, it's not working. So it's just a sufuria for me. I left it to boil for 15 minutes on high heat. And then it was time to remove the chickens. No, the chicken pieces. Whatever. I do pack my chicken into quarters when I'm freezing it. So these were 4 quarters that makes the whole chicken. Over there I was making some veggies. And then it was time to cut my chicken into small pieces or bite-sized pieces. At this point, you can call me Anna the Butcher. As you can see, I was removing the chicken breast because I was making chicken tikka pizza, which will be in another video coming up. This chicken was too big. I was able to remove a good size of the chicken breast, and the chicken was still big. After I sliced the chicken, I return it into the water for it to cook in the inside. And this is the problem of boiling chicken with herbs and all those things, because you have to remove them with your hands. After that, it was time to deep fry the chicken. The oil, what is the oil, right? Okay. The oil must be very, very hot. I almost made a mess, but the oil didn't splash. The chicken must turn golden brown. That's why the oil must be very, very hot. The reason for deep frying is you want the chicken to be somehow crunchy. You want it to be somehow crunchy, and I'm forgetting the other name. And this is how most restaurants make your chicken capon or chicken broiler. I was deep frying the second bunch. If you don't want to deep fry, you can air fry or roast them in the oven. Because for me personally, I don't like broiler chicken because of its softness. So deep frying them or roasting them removes that thing. After that, it was time to fry the chicken, or to make the sauce for the chicken. So first rinse up in a hot sufuria. I added some vegetable oil, lots of onions. You can't convince me that lots of onions don't make food taste great. After the onion turned golden brown, I added my mixture made in heaven, that's garlic and ginger paste. And then I added some tomato paste. And then I added my blended tomatoes. And at this point, the sauce was looking good. I added some Knorr beef cube, some spice for wet and dry fry, some curry powder, garam masala, and some cayenne for the heat. After I left my spices to cook for about 5 minutes while stirring. Then I added my chicken capon, and at this point we can all agree it was looking delicious. I then added some dark soy sauce and some oyster sauce. If you'll notice, while I'm making the sauce or when I'm frying this chicken, I've not added any salt, because when boiling I had added the salt. When I'm frying it right here, I've added the beef cube, which is, to me, that's purely salt. And then the oyster sauce and the soy sauce are also salt, so it was good. Remember this soup that I used to boil the chicken? That's what I'm using to make it a wet fry. And as you can see, I've already saved the soup and I'm storing it in the fridge, and I'll be using it to make my meals. And the soup was very, very delicious. So I can't take it because I'm not a fan of broiler soup, if that makes sense. The only soup that I can bring myself to drink is the Kenyan one. This is the one I just use it to cook. At this point, the soup was delicious, the chicken was delicious, everything was looking good. And then I added my dhania, and I switched off the gas. And now this is how your chicken capon or your chicken broiler is made in the restaurants. If you ask for chicken wet fry, this is how they're going to make it. Most restaurants, that is. So thank you guys for watching up to this point. Please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it to your friends. That's it for this week's video. I'll see you on the next one.
We did